A very warm welcome to all of you. I'm Reena Mahajan and you're watching me on English Oasis. Superlative degree. If very is used with superlative degree, तो we use the before very. हम very से पहले the लगा देते हैं. जब भी superlative degree लगेगी, तो the पहले आएगा. In case of very. For example, he is the very best student of my class, right? He is the much best student नहीं आएगा. This is wrong, right? So, let's see another example. He is much the best student. Much the best here means sure, decidedly he is the best student. पक्का वो बहुत ही अच्छा student है, the best है. He is very best student नहीं आएगा, right? That is wrong. Now let's talk about a rule regarding enough. Enough, where to use enough and when to put it before the verb, after the adjective, noun, pronoun, कहाँ पे use करेंगे हम enough का? Right? So see, enough is a word. Enough मतलब काफ़ी, right? I have enough money मतलब काफ़ी money है मेरे पास, अपनी ज़रूरत के लायक काफ़ी. Next, enough को हम as an adverb use कर सकते हैं और as an adjective भी use कर सकते हैं, right? Adjective और verb के साथ जब भी enough लगेगा तो ये adjective और verb के बाद लगेगा, right? Adjective plus enough. And if in case it is used with a noun or a pronoun, enough पहले आएगा and बाद में noun या pronoun आएगा. For example, he has enough sugar. तो sugar here is a noun and obviously according to the rule I told you, enough would be put before a noun, right? So he has enough sugar. Now take another example. He is smart enough. तो यहाँ पे smart क्या है? It tells the quality, so it is an adjective. So here, she is smart enough. So enough would be, whenever there is an adjective, enough would be after it, right? Adjective plus enough, verb plus enough. And whenever there is a noun or pronoun, noun या pronoun के साथ जब भी हमें enough use करना है, तो noun pronoun से पहले use होगा, right? For example, there wasn't enough sun to get a decent photo. Example, you are big enough for cricket. Big. The next rule says about as. As को हम कहाँ use करेंगे? As कुछ verbs के साथ as can be used as adverb with these words. बहुत सारी words के साथ as an adverb use होता है. For example, define, treat. ये words, please note down these words. These are the words जिनके साथ हम as can be used as an adverb with these words. Treated as, defined as, regarded as, describe as, respect as. I respect you as my father. राइट मैं आपकी ऐसी रिस्पेक्ट करता हूँ जैसे कि मैं अपने फादर की करता हूँ. डिपिक्टेड एज, नोन एज. नाउ वन थिंग मोर, कुछ ऐसे वर्ड्स होते हैं जिनके साथ हम एज बिल्कुल भी यूज़ नहीं करेंगे. वी विल नॉट यूज़ एज विद दीज वर्ड्स, राइट? इट इज़ नॉट यूज्ड एज एडवर्ब विद दीज वर्ड्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, elect, appoint, name, think, consider, call, choose, appoint. इन वर्ड्स के साथ कभी भी as यूज़ नहीं होगा. Just make it a point, right? Now, the next rule is about although. Although बहुत ही confusing होता है. हम कहाँ पे although use कर सकते हैं और कहाँ although use नहीं करते हैं is very important. और although के साथ but कभी भी use नहीं होता. आप ये चीज़ ध्यान रखिएगा. But is not used with although. Although के साथ comma आ सकता है और yet भी आ सकता है although के साथ as a connector. ठीक है? For example, although she is rich, she thinks twice before spending money. बहुत rich है वो, तब भी वो 2 बार सोचती है पैसे खर्च करने से पहले, right? Although she is rich, comma, yet she thinks twice about spending money. Both are correct, but we cannot use a but with it. Although she is rich but she thinks twice नहीं आएगा. That is the error. So error detection के लिए ये वाला rule बहुत ज़्यादा significant है. Please take care of this.